Yes, sir. Doing so well until you run into a little bit of traffic. You heard me? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I wanted to come on here. We got to get the 300 wash. She's a little dirty, a little dusty, and we actually have some halfway decent weather coming our way this weekend. It's going to be in the 50s, so I'm sure I'll have the car out, so I want to get her cleaned up. So let's rip her around a little bit and then pull up at Al's shop and see what he's got going on. You know, when you haven't driven her in a while, you got to clean out the carbons, as my buddy Al would say. You know what I mean? Got to step on her every once in a while and kind of flush out those carbons. Look how dirty my windshield is, man. I can't wait to get this baby cleaned up. She needs it. She needs it bad. So quick little update while we're cruising here. The Alibaba steering wheel has been holding up pretty good. Everything working as it should. Speedometer, it has been a-okay. So fingers crossed that baby hangs in there. And then we also have my tail lights that I showed you guys in the last video. But once we get this car cleaned up and we get to the shop, I'm gonna go ahead and get like a little bit better footage of the tail lights, because I showed them to you last video, but it was kind of rushed because I was tired and I was trying to hustle up and get home. But yeah, today we are gonna go ahead and show you guys in their glory. I'll go through the reverse lights, the brake lights, all that good stuff, so you guys can kind of get the full effect of these Spider LED tail lights. You know, sometimes when I don't drive this car for a while, I kind of forget how quick this car actually is. I mean, for its size and its weight and it being stock, well, relatively stock, it moves out, man. Just that transmission, you know? We got to get it tuned. Once we get it tuned, I'm hoping that we're able to get that transmission kind of better dialed in compared to what it is right now. Boom. I want to shift right there. Like, why is it dragging it out? Give me quicker shifts. See how it's like hanging up in that RPM range? We don't need that. We don't want that. I need quicker. That sounds like a dirt bike. Yay! We like that. All right, pulling up to the shop. Let's see what we got. What has he got out here now? The old school? Dang, what size are those? 28s? 30s? She's all cleaned up. I'm gonna get you guys a better shot of these tail lights. As you can see, boom, the LEDs, the reverse light. Yeah, that makes it look way more modern. I love the look of those. Yay. She's all dialed in. Boom. And just like that, that's all she wrote. We got her all cleaned up, but we do need to get some gas. So let's pull over to the gas station, fill her up, and also get some shots of this baby underneath the gas station lights, huh? So once again, a little shot of those lights. The 300 all cleaned up. No more dust. My boy Al got me right, man. She's looking nice. Really can't wait to start getting into this thing, guys, with the engine, with the exhaust and stuff. Drop a comment if you made it this far, man. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. The best sounding exhaust for these 6.1 Hemis.